the craft ice maker on your side-by-side refrigerator not working properly? Let's go over some of the most common reasons why the ice maker isn't working and how to resolve them. If you have just recently installed your refrigerator, it will take up to 48 hours for the craft ice maker to create ice. The first batch of ice may not be round and clear. If the craft ice maker is still not making ice after 48 hours or not producing enough craft ice spheres, check the settings. Go to the control panel inside the refrigerator and check if the craft ice indicator is on. If the indicator light is off, turn it back on by pressing the craft ice button. When the craft ice maker is turned on, it will automatically be set to produce one batch of 3 craft ice every 24 hours. If you want to create more craft ice, you can set it to produce 6 ice spheres a day. Just press the craft ice button one more time, and the craft ice maker will produce 6 ice spheres a day. Simply leave the craft ice maker at the setting you want, and after 5 seconds, that setting will be saved. If the craft ice maker is set properly and still not creating ice spheres, check the feeler arm. If the feeler arm is pushed up, the ice maker will stop making ice to prevent overflow. Make sure that the feeler arm is not obstructed and can move freely. If everything inside the refrigerator seems to work fine, check and make sure your refrigerator is connected to a drinkable water source, and the valve connecting the water supply is fully open. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please contact your LG Electronics Service Center. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.